Alright, this makes a good thumbnail. We're about to install a full NRG setup. Not full NRG, but an NRG setup for my car. This is the steering wheel, shift knob, e-brake, and pedals. Ooh, I want to love those pedals. Full neo chrome. Man, I love the look already. I hope it looks just twice as better in the car, man. Alright, so I got all these parts I'm about to install in my car. I was gonna look sick. So simple. All I did was unscrew the stock one, and then I had to put like an adapter on, one of these adapters inside the new shift knob, and then I screwed it into the new chrome shift knob, the NRG one, and then I screwed it on, and man, it just come out nice. Oh, I'm loving the look. Oh, just went to the steering wheels in there. Yes, sir. Definitely gonna go. This one's already coming off, it's ripped. Just take off the rest. Shouldn't be too hard because they just go around. Just come off easily because they're not even glued on, they wrap around it actually. Well, this just came down. Screw this bolt from behind and then it holds on to it. And yeah, it makes sense, right? Oh, such a noob. Alright, I'll figure this out. You guys don't worry. I think I got the hang of this, but don't quote me. Shit, I'm not a professional. I'm not certified. Oh shit. I can figure this out. I can figure this out. Dude, I gotta fucking chill, bro. It's 4 a.m. So this is it's 2 a.m. right now. Couldn't get the car running. Well, the car's currently not running. So I finished installing the NRG wheel. It's actually pretty simple taking out the stock wheel. Just 4 bolts on the back. You take out the airbag, disconnect it. Make sure you disconnect the battery because it's really sketchy. People have died because of that. Actually now 3 a.m. Oh man, this should look good. Oh hey Pito. So anyways, I got the NRG setup going, but the pedals, however, they did not work. I guess for our Eclipse, our pedals are too curved, so the brackets really don't grab it good. So mine ended up slipping. I just took them off. So I'm gonna end up taking the other one off, but overall the NRG steering wheel and shift knob came out good. I still don't know how to do the e-brake because that one doesn't come out right, but it's good for now. Do the trick. Love the mean look. Alright Pete, you give out the outro. Catch y'all later. Sponsoring me.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I tell it on my